It's time to change the wiper blades on this 2016 GTI Mark 7, and in this short video I'll show you how to do it step by step. I'm using Michelin Guardian replacement wiper blades from Costco, but if you have a different brand, the process should be similar. First thing to be aware of is that the wiper blades can't be raised from their resting position. They're recessed, and as you can see, it hits the edge of the hood. But there's a cool service feature that will help me work with the wiper blades more easily. What I'm going to do is turn on the ignition key without starting the car, and then immediately turn it off. Then on the wiper control, I'll push it down once and the wipers will swing into service position. Next thing you need to know is that the wiper arms are spring loaded. And when the wiper blade is off, there's actually enough pressure for the end of the metal arm to damage the windshield if it flips onto the glass without a wiper blade attached. To prevent accidentally cracking my windshield, I'm going to wedge a rolled up towel here at the bottom. Okay, so removing the wiper blade on this GTI and other Volkswagen models is super easy. Locate the small tab in the square opening and press it in. You can also insert a blunt object to help release this lock. Then slide the wiper blade straight up. As mentioned before, I'm using Michelin Guardian wipers from Costco, but you can get replacement wiper blades from any auto parts store. On this 2016 GTI, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger side is 18 inches. And I'll list these sizes in the description so it's easy for you to find. In the package, you'll find 3 different attachments, and because these are universal wiper blades, I'll need the small adapter for the GTI. So first thing to do is to remove the locking cap from the new wiper blade. Then on the small adapter, locate the hook side and slip it over the center pin of the blade. Now just snap the other end in place. This fits really snug, so there's no chance of it coming off. With the adapter installed, I can just slide the new blade onto the wiper arm. And you can see how the button locks into place. At this point, the blade is actually quite loose, but it can't be left this way. So from the package, I'm going to need the locking cover that has the notch in it. This is going to attach to the 2 holes in the wiper blade. Then just fold the cover down and snap it into place. With the locking cover on, the blade is now nice and secure. I hope this tutorial was easy for you to follow, but if you do need help, the staff at that auto parts store can help with installation if you happen to purchase their wiper blades. Last step is to exit out of service mode. Do this by turning the key to the on position and flipping the wiper control down once, and now we're done. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to remove the plastic blade protector or else your wipers won't swipe water away. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.